It's what happens when you combine crispy cinnamon-dusted churros with rich, creamy cheesecake. Brace yourself for the ultimate dessert temptation. Amber Spencer is joining me in the kitchen to share the recipe for, here it comes, a churro cheesecake.
Yes.
I feel like we should just have a moment. A churro cheesecake.
I know. I like all the words you're saying.
Like, does it get better?
No.
Oh my gosh. Okay, thank you for being here.
Yes, yes.
This looks amazing. I'm told there's a backstory to this recipe.
Okay, yes. Always.
Always.
There always is. So I make macarons, and my top selling flavor is the churro macaron. And we had, for the Super Bowl, my brother-in-law wanted to do a fiesta. So it was like, everybody bring a Mexican dish. And they're like, oh, bring your churro macarons. It was the next day. Macarons take forever. And I was like, I can't do that. But I can go to Pinterest University and find a recipe. So I Googled, easy, churro, dessert, and this is what popped up.
This looks amazing, and is it easy?
It's so easy that my kids helped me.
Okay.
And if I just said, here are the ingredients, they could do it themselves.
They could do it. They
so
could do it. Okay.
Everybody should be able to do it.
What do we have going?
Here we go. So we are going to take a pan, a 9x13, coat it completely with cooking spray, and then we are going to lay down crescent roll dough.
Crescent rolled dough.
Yes.
Okay, I'm already surprised.
Those cute little tubes in the refrigerator.
The can that pops and gives me a heart attack.
I had to go pop it off stage because I didn't want, everybody's ears. But yep.
Okay.
Refrigerator dough. You don't have to make anything special. It's already made. So I just press it all down. And the ones that are in sheets are actually really hard to find. So if you can only find the little ones that roll up into the baby croissants, they still work. You just press together the seams and call it good.
Okay,
so,
what's next?
First layer. This is my favorite.
What
I will
is this?
eat it by the spoonful.
Okay.
This is 2 cubes of cream cheese.
Am I putting it on here?
Yep, we're gonna do a full layer.
2 cubes of cream cheese.
Yep, beaten with a half a cup of sugar and 1 egg to give it that rich fluffiness.
Okay.
And then my secret ingredient.
What?
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Mexican vanilla.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
You know, if you've ever been to an airport in Mexico, they have them in the duty-free store. Always buy it. Always buy it. Mexican vanilla has just this like rich, deep flavor that pairs well with everything, with custards, ice cream, you name it.
I'm not super foodie, and so sometimes when people describe, say, dark chocolate or, you know, in this case, Mexican vanilla, I'm like, yeah, I really can't taste a huge difference. With Mexican vanilla, you actually can. There's a warmth to it or a depth to it.
It is warm, and it's that, what's in this? That people say, what is this flavor? Oh, this is my special vanilla.
Am I using all of that or just some of that?
Yes, you can use all of it.
Okay.
Yep.
Got it.
Just wrap it all in there.
Put it all on there. I like how I just threw myself as your
I'm just here. It's like I'm teaching my kids to do it. See, everybody.
Truer words have never been spoken, Amber. Truer words. Okay.
Cooking with Brooke today.
What else?
The next layer is the crust. So it's a little bit easier if you roll it out on a parchment paper so you're not like squishing it all over the cheesecake.
Yeah.
So we're gonna put it on the parchment paper and then I'm just gonna lay it on top of that. So.
Okay, sorry, Brooke is a little slow today.
You're good,
We gotta get the edges because if I got a corner and I didn't have the.
Wouldn't you just feel like gypped?
Yes, I'd be mad. All right, then what?
Okay, now we're gonna take this and lay it over.
Sorry, what was that crescent dough again?
Yep, this is another, so you're gonna have two rolls of this.
Yeah.
And then you just lay it and just squish it to the edges.
See, I sort of give our producers a hard time, like, why are we doing a Cinco de Mayo recipe on the day of Cinco de Mayo? We have to shop ahead.
No.
You could do this.
You could, when I found this Pinterest, or this recipe, I was like, I literally have everything.
You could do this.
You could do it. Okay, you wanna do the next part?
I mean, you know I do.
Okay, we're gonna sprinkle, this is half cup of sugar and 2 tablespoons of cinnamon.
Okay.
And this is the part that gives it that churro, the crunchy, flaky sugar.
Look at this magic wand I'm working with. What is this?
Oh my gosh, there is this darling store in Spanish Fork called Wall Brothers.
Okay.
You have to go there.
This is adorable.
I bought this spoon there. I saw it the first time I went and I was like, I need this spoon. I didn't buy it. And then I live 2 hours away.
Right.
I went back and I got it. I couldn't stop thinking about this spoon.
Isn't it funny?
It's my perfect duster spoon.
Those little things that kind of get in your head. I had a similar experience with a pair of earrings, but okay.
Oh, another story, another day.
Okay, how'd I do?
More? It's beautiful.
More?
And then when I pop it in the oven, you'll put it in for 30 minutes until you see this crust get a really nice golden brown.
Okay.
Pull it out, and then I would sprinkle more on it to give that another layer of that crispy, crunchy sugar.
So is the texture like chewy? What is it? What's the overall?
It is the cheesecake in the middle.
Okay.
You know, and then the texture on the outside is crusty, like a crunch on the bottom and light and fluffy on the top.
I'm thinking of so many people I know and love who love churros and love cheesecake.
There you go.
And their dreams are about to come true.
I know.
You're the best.
And
thank you
it's
for
so
sharing.
easy. Yep.
Where can we get more recipes from you and your macarons too?
Oh, yes. So you can find me on amcocakes.com.
Okay.
Or I'm on Instagram at amcocakes.
And you take orders.
Yes.
I imagine it's a busy time of year with graduation.
Oh my
and
goodness, yes. We're doing
weddings.
some very fun graduation cakes.
Oh, take your
Yes.
vitamins, girl. You're so talented. Thank you so much for
Of
sharing your
course.
spark with
Yes.
us. We'll link you over to her platform from our website too if you want an easy connection point.